Ready for Labor Day? I didn't post a video last week. The reason why? Is because of this. Yes, I had a son. That's awesome. With that being said, I'm still excited for Labor Day. I'm still ready to cook. I'm still extremely hyped. I figured I could talk about all of the things that we could cook. Brisket, some type of bird, some seafood, something like that. However, what we are going to do today is we are going to talk about the grills that you can use to cook on. There's all types. And today we're going to be speaking about 4 specific types of grills. So those 4 specific types of grills are going to be offset smokers, pellet smokers, gas grills and smokers, and then electric grills and smokers. This is going to be a playlist. When I was putting this together, I realized that this could take forever to go through each of these. I have chosen 5 different grills and smokers for each of these 4 categories, bringing us to 20 grills. So the links to all of these grills are going to be in the description. I am an affiliate, so I do get a little bit of kickback to support the channel so we can keep videos like this and different food videos running, coming, and I am excited for that. So if you want to support the channel in that way, you may. If you don't, that's fine. Just keep watching the content. I'll keep bringing fire. Yeah, let's get into it. We're going to go into these offset smokers. So this first offset smoker that we're going to be looking at is the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow Smoker. It is a 1,060 total square inches of cooking surface. It is 751 square inches in the main chamber, 309 square inches in the firebox chamber. That's pretty nice size, and it will get a lot of meat cooked for you. So this could be for anyone who's trying to do something simple for their family, or for someone who wants to do a small catering side business or anything like that. This is good for that. So it is a reverse flow smoker, 4 baffles to guide heat and smoke through the main chamber, delivering an even delicious result. Yay! Removable baffles and optional smokestack, locations for customizable setup with it, and the number of grates that comes with this is 4. The firebox chamber features large stainless steel fuel basket and clean outdoor for easy ash removal. Heavy gauge all steel construction, porcelain coated cooking grates, and multiple dampeners for easy heat and smoke control. The next one we got coming up is going to be our CHAR-BROIL American Gourmet Offset Smoker 1280. Simple CHAR-BROIL smoker. It accommodates large cuts of meat at one time, a little bit smaller than our last one. It has multiple dampeners as well for easy heat and smoke control. Heat indicator to monitor the temperature within it. It is 1,280 square inches of cooking surface, convenient for a front shelf, built-in bottle opener. That's really awesome to me. And a 1-year warranty is what it comes with. That's pretty amazing. It's called the Broil King 958050 Offset Smoker. So with that, is constructed from 2 millimeters of steel with 625 square inches of primary cooking surface. So this is more of a home cook. It has heavy duty cast iron cooking grids. It has an air vent system that includes a chimney style stack with roto draft dampener technology. That sounds pretty fancy. Dual purpose smoke diffusing charcoal trays and removable ashtray in both cooking chambers. Next up on our wonderful list, now this is a little bit different. It is not an offset smoker, but I put it in this category because I could not put it in any other category, and this is personally on my wish list. And this is the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker charcoal smoker. I love it. I love personally everything about it. This is the largest version thereof. It has a 14-inch and an 18-inch as well. This is a porcelain enameled lid bowl, center section retaining heat and will not rust or peel. It has 2 cooking grates to provide ample room room for smoking 2 large items at once. Silicone temperature grommet monitors the internal temperature of your smoker, and then you can control the temperature of your smoker easily by adjusting the dampeners. And then fuel door comes off to make adding charcoal and wood easier while smoking. It's very simple, straightforward, straight to the point. This thing is amazing. I love it. I want to do some rotisserie and some hanging chicken and some beer can chicken and some things like that. That is okay on an offset, but I think it would be maximized and done very well in this barrel styled cooker. So yeah, awesome. Last but not least, in our offset smokers, this is actually the one that I have. I would say that this is a very, very beginner smoker. This is what I've started smoking on a few years ago. It has reached its limit, and so I am personally in the market for a new grill, so I'm excited about that. I don't know which one of these I'll be getting. We're looking at purchasing a home, and when we do, I'm thinking about building an outside kitchen. So to do so, I'll be looking at quite a few things, but I definitely know that I do want another offset smoker. I kind of hope to collect some of these things in the future, but right now, while I'm still doing this for fun and not exact practice and making money or catering or anything like that off of it, I want to just be mindful of those things, but I do want to collect a lot of grills in the future. But anyway, this very simple cooker is called the Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill Offset Smoker with cover. It's 801 square inches. It's black. It's for outdoor or camping and things like that. It's really simple. It's the one that any cook that you see me do that was barbecue on the show, that is what I have been personally cooking on. It has been amazing. I love it. I mean, I can tell you that it's a great beginner. So the steel isn't really thick. It rusted fairly quickly. The cool thing is this particular one does come with the cover, so you can keep it covered throughout the winter or any elements that may come. It rains a lot here where I am in Florida, and so it's good to have that cover that does come with it and things like that. All right, before we move on to the next video in this playlist, I want you to hit like, subscribe, share this video and playlist, and leave a comment. I want to know what your favorite in this particular offset smoker category is, and let me know what you think and what it is that you're looking at purchasing for your wonderful Labor Day and beyond smoker and grill purchase. And as we move into the next video, I want to say, don't love to be loved, love to love.